It's been said for quite a few years that indoor plants clean up the air. Tragically for the universities that were involved, when they took the plant out and just left the pot there, it did the same thing. In other words, a bit of potting mix in the house is sort of a little bit okay. But there's a new breakthrough. It can only happen in Canada. And this research basically got the devil's ivy, or pothos, epipremnumorium, that climber that you get indoors with a heart-shaped leaf about that size with the yellow bits through it. They got that, and out of the liver of a rabbit they took a gene, or gene for an efficient liver, put it all together and said, now this plant is going to clean up your air inside the home, that is the pothos. It's selling very well in Canada. Sad news for Canadians is basically it doesn't work. It's wonderful science, it just doesn't happen to get much of the formaldehyde and benzene and all that out of your air. What should you do? Open the bloody window. And you don't have to open it that much and problem solved. Same in the car. All those plastics in the car are putting out all those formaldehyde and benzene and all sorts of other chemicals, and they're not wonderful to drive around in, particularly in newish, less than 2 years old cars. But again, just have the window a bit open. You don't have to necessarily run the fan, and the air quality improves out of sight. So what we've looked at today, worth noting, bad science.